folks, let's have a look at a matter that's close to many people's hearts. The International Crane Foundation has raised an alarm over the declining population of the grey-crowned crane, a species critically endangered by climate change and human activity. The foundation highlighted a significant drop in crane numbers, urging for immediate conservation measures. Let's have a look at this story.
The grey-crowned crane, an iconic bird species in Kenya, is facing a worrying decline. According to the International Crane Foundation's country manager, Joseph Mwangi, the population has decreased from 36,000 in 1986 to just 10,000 birds today.
We have been seeing poisoning and persecution of the species because of the interaction with farmland and cropland. So there is perceived crop damage, and as a retaliatory, we've been encountering increasing poisoning and persecution.
Wetlands, the primary habitat for these birds, are rapidly being converted into farmland, threatening the survival of the grey-crowned crane. Farmers, often unaware of the ecological significance of these areas, have contributed to the crisis.
Where farmers are going into wetland, viewing them as wastelands and encroaching on that to increase the size of the land they are farming. And because of that, we have lost habitat for cranes breeding, and also we have lost habitat for where cranes can flock.
Farmers living near wetlands in counties such as Nandi and Uasin Gishu are being trained in sustainable agricultural practices, including planting animal feed, indigenous tree cultivation, and setting up beehives for alternative incomes.
Tutakwenda training, tukafunzwa tutunze wetlands, ndio kirongo sasa sikue wengi, wetland ikue safe, ndio tuame sasa huku. Sasa after kuama huku, una realize unaweza kuwa na kitchen garden kidogo, but inakuanga na mboga aina. Sasa hiyo ndio imeturudisha turudi sasa huku kwa kitchen garden. Tusiende tena huko kuharibu wetlands. Tukiharibu wetlands, tunaharibu everything.
According to the latest survey, Uasin Gishu County hosts the highest number of grey-crowned cranes, with 2,227 recorded across 78 sites. Nyandarua follows with 969 cranes, while other populations are found in counties like Nandi, Trans Nzoia and Laikipia.
We are losing a lot of our wetlands because of erratic rainfall, clearing of water towers, and also draining for agriculture.
To strengthen conservation efforts, the foundation has recommended a wet season survey to map breeding pairs. Additionally, crane ringing exercises in counties such as Nandi, Trans Nzoia and Uasin Gishu are enabling researchers to monitor movements and improve population data. By deterring grazing in wetlands and promoting sustainable farming, these initiatives are empowering farmers to protect the crane's habitat while enhancing their livelihoods.
Avocado. Sasa hii ni biashara, tunafanya biashara nao. Sasa tukiuza hiyo, si hakuna haja kuingia huko ndani. Umepata nyasi nepia, super nepia, tunalisha ng'ombe huko, hakuna ng'ombe ikuja huko ndani kwa sababu ya korongo. Hapo tumeona tuna benefit kwa hiyo.
Nimeshapanda ashopakatu. Hii ashopakatu nilipanda 27. Lakini ile ilifona ni 5 because of sijaelewa vile inatengenezwa inde ikuje mpaka ikiro. Lakini sasa kwa hii niko naye nimepata paita mingi. Kwa sasa nikifuna once nafuna around 170 kilos na per kilo ni 100. Hiyo ni 17,000 and for 3 times a year.
Conservation programs like this highlight the need to balance human activity with the preservation of nature. For the International Crane Foundation, the ultimate goal is to restore the population of grey-crowned cranes and ensure their survival for generations to come.
The farmer is benefiting, but how we are also benefiting. So we really need to see the pairs breeding more every year, because now we want, as I said, the juvenile population is very low. We want to see that recruitment into adulthood 100%.
An urgent call to action. Protecting wetlands and supporting sustainable farming practices are vital steps to ensure the grey-crowned crane remains a vibrant part of our ecosystem and heritage. Sheila Chelangat for TV 47.